Hello my fellow people, I hope you're doing great. In this video I'm going to show you step by step an easiest way to buy and hold Pi token. All right, I'm going to show you how to do it using BITGET exchange. All right, this was requested by one of my subscribers on my Telegram channel, and she was a woman. Here is the comment she posted asking me to explain it, and I have received a lot of questions from my subscribers asking me to show them how exactly they are going to buy and hold Pi network on their various exchanges. All right, so I'm going to show you step by step, and I'm going to explain everything in detail for you guys to understand. All right, so please, before we begin, if you know you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because I'll keep updating with informations like this. And I'm going to drop link to my WhatsApp/Telegram channel. If you want to be part of my community, you can just touch the links and join them. Right, so let's begin. As you can see, this is my wallet, this is my Trust wallet. So I just transfer USDT in order to show you. I'm just trying to give you an example on how to do it. So when I touch my history like this, I'm going to show you the transfer I just made. I just transfer HUSDT. This is HUSDT this is HUSDT for my Trust wallet to my BITGET exchange. All right, so I'm going to open my BITGET right now, and I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. So as you can see, this is my BITGET homepage. So I'm going to touch my asset like this. As you can see, this is my BITGET homepage, and now when I touch my assets like this, this is my assets. As you can see, I have USDT. I have received the USDT here. All right, I have received the, when I touch here, you're going to see the moment I received the USDT. All right, so this is the moment I received the USDT. This is the transaction history. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to buy Pi. I'm going to show you what to do. All right, so what we are going to do right now, when you look down here, you are going to see trade down here. You see trade in the middle, then you locate trade here and touch it like this. When you touch it like this, it's going to show you this. You have to touch up here. When you look up here, you're going to see this where they write Pi USDT. You have to make sure it is Pi here. If it is not a Pi, you can search for Pi here, Pi USDT. Make sure it is Pi. As you can see, Pi USDT, then you touch it like this. When you touch Pi USDT like this, make sure it is in the market. Leave it in the market like this. Order is market. All right, so and make sure you fill here USDT market price, then you slide this to the end. That is 100%. all right, that is 100%. all right, then here buy Pi. all right, then you touch buy Pi here. all right, buy Pi, then you press on buy Pi like this. When you press on buy Pi like this, they will ask you to confirm. All right, then you press on confirm like this. As you can see, successful. I have just buy Pi. all right, I have just buy Pi. What's how to check is you have to touch your asset like this. When you touch your asset, you refresh this part. When you refresh this, you are going to see that you have what you have 13.2 Pi. As you can see, you have 13.2 Pi. all right, so this is how to buy Pi network. Is very simple and easy. all right, so if you really find this video helpful, and if you really do enjoy this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also, if you have a question, you can just go directly to the comment section and drop your questions. Don't forget to join my community, because that is where I'll be updating you with information that does require videos. all right, so thank you for watching. Love.